Meet Sarah, a single mother of two, who was struggling to make ends meet and take care of her family. Sarah had to work long hours to make a living and barely had any time for her kids. She often felt like she was stuck in a dead-end job with no prospects of a better future. Sarah was determined to turn her situation around and provide a better life for her family. She started looking for ways to make extra money and stumbled upon an online system that promised to help her make money easily and quickly every day. Skeptical at first, Sarah decided to give it a try as she had nothing to lose. To her amazement, Sarah found that the online system was easy to use and understand, and she started making money almost immediately. She could work from home, on her own time, and spend more time with her kids. As Sarah continued to use the system, she found that her income was steadily increasing, and she was able to pay off her debts and provide a better life for her family. She was no longer living paycheck to paycheck and was able to save for her children's future. Now, Sarah is a success story. She's living the life she always dreamed of, with a stable income and more time to spend with her family. She can take vacations, buy her children new clothes, and save for their education. Sarah no longer has to worry about making ends meet or working long hours. She's happy and grateful for the online system that allowed her to achieve financial freedom. If Sarah can do it, so can you. The online system that changed Sarah's life is waiting for you to give it a try. With this system, you can make money online easily, quickly, and effectively every day. Say goodbye to the struggle and hello to a better life. Take the first step and try the system today.